Hello guys, in today's video we are going to discuss geography questions which came in this year prelims examination of MPPSC and try to find the source of these questions. So let's get into it. So discussing our first question, it deals with Panna. As you can see on the screen, Panna district of Madhya Pradesh is famous for which mineral? So this question was relatively easy, but still let's find the source. So on the right hand side of your screen, you can see this book is Ghatna Chakra, and a similar question was asked in UPPSC, and this question is given in Ghatna Chakra also. Where are diamond mines in India? So if you read the description, Panna is a beautiful town located in MP. It is the biggest center of diamond mining. So with this, you could have easily solved this question. Looking at the second question, Chambal irrigation project is related with. Let's try to find the source of this question. So it is also given in Ghatna Chakra, as you can read from these lines. Under Chambal Valley project, 3 main dams are built on this river. One is Gandhi Sagar, second is Rana Pratap, and third is Jawahar Sagar. So इसकी एक ट्रिक भी अगर आपको याद करना है, it is चंबल गरजती है, गरज. So Ga for Gandhi Sagar, Ra for Rana Pratap Sagar, and Ja for Jawahar Sagar. So this question could have also been solved from Ghatna Chakra. Coming to this question regarding Chambal Canal irrigation project. So this question is disputed, and the source of this question is not in this book. It could be either of the two though, Yamuna basin or Ganga basin. So moving on to next question. Main crop of Madhya Pradesh, this was easy. Now this question, which of the following is not a commercial crop? So this was also a relatively question, and this can also be found in Ghatna Chakra, though I have not taken the screenshot for this question because it is a relatively easy question. Now let's have a look at this question. So this was regarding grassland and the country to which it belonged. So this question was directly picked up from Ghatna Chakra. As you can see, I am highlighting here. The options were same as in Ghatna Chakra, so as in the paper. So this could also be been easily solved. Now looking at the next question, which one of the following state has the maximum area under teak forest in India? Let's look at this question now. It asked which of the following state has the maximum area under teak forest in India. So ये क्वेश्चन घटना चक्र में तो नहीं है, पर ये क्वेश्चन ISFR रिपोर्ट से डायरेक्टली लिया है, तो वो भी सजेस्टेड है पढ़ने के लिए, उससे बहुत क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. Looking at this question dealt with environment, so we are not going to look into this. Now coming to this question, which one of the following is not correctly matched? So this question can also be solved by referring to Ghatna Chakra. As you can see, here are these mountains and their location. So अगर आप ये क्वेश्चन यहाँ से करते तो you could have easily eliminated and take the right answer. So ये भी घटना चक्र से लिया है. Now coming to this question, this was regarding economic activity and the country. So although इसका मतलब आप डायरेक्ट सोर्स तो घटना चक्र नहीं है, पर स्टिल लाइक यू कैन रीड हेयर, डेयरी का दिया है डेनमार्क, कोपेनहेगन. तो अगर आप ये भी इससे पढ़ते देन यू कुड हैव इजीली एलिमिनेटेड, बिकॉज डेयरी फार्मिंग डेनमार्क से मैच होता और फिर आप एलिमिनेट करके कर सकते थे. तो पार्शियली दिस कुड हैव बीन सॉल्व्ड फ्रॉम घटना चक्र 2. नाउ सीइंग नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which is known as the storehouse of Indian minerals. So this was kind of an applied question, that is you have to apply your knowledge and come up with an answer. The source of this question, if you had read this question, it is also given in Ghatna Chakra that Dhanbad comes under Chota Nagpur plateau, which is famous for coal mining and has some of the largest mines in India. So if it has the largest mines, it is well understood that it should store a lot of minerals beneath its surface. So looking at the next question, this statement 2 स्टेटमेंट्स वर गिवन और आपको बताना था कौन सी सही है. सो इट वॉज आस्क्ड अबाउट वीट प्रोडक्शन और 2 ऑप्शन दिए हुए थे. तो यहाँ पे घटना चक्र में क्लियरली मैंशनड है, एज यू कैन सी इन दिस पैरा, कि व्हाट आर द कंडीशंस विच आर प्रीरिक्विजिट फॉर प्रोडक्शन ऑफ वीट. सो ये क्वेश्चन भी बहुत ईजिली सॉल्व हो जाता विद द हेल्प ऑफ घटना चक्र. Looking at another question, this was also a relatively easy question. Which of the following mineral is only found in Madhya Pradesh? ये तो कोई भी solve कर सकता है. So with this we end our analysis, and I would like to conclude that Ghatna Chakra is one of the best books to practice once you have read the NCERT, because NCERT will give you a basic idea, and if you cover questions from Ghatna Chakra, you are in very good shape to handle prelims questions, especially of MBPSC standard. So thank you. So this book also comes for both medium, that is in Hindi medium also and English medium also, so you can buy it accordingly. With this I would like to end the video. If you like the content, please make sure you subscribe the channel. It really gives me motivation to make such videos. Thank you.